Hi, I am Dia, a vendor marketing strategist and CEO of Bob Media Group, the marketing firm that's helped vendors go from just showing up to completely selling out. If you're vending at events but not seeing the kind of real ROI you want, this video is going to shift everything for you, so keep watching. Let's be real, if you're spending thousands or even tens of thousands on vending events and you're leaving with more business cards than actual sales, something's off. Your booth looks okay, you've got inventory, people even stop, but nobody's buying like they should. That's not a you problem, that's a strategy problem. And in this video, I'm giving you the exact vendor strategy that I use with my high ticket clients that helps them turn their vendor booth into a sales machine. See, most vendors think the booth is about being cute, showing up with the vibes, and hoping for traffic. But hope is not a strategy. If you're vending at expos, festivals, conferences, whatever, you need a booth that's built to do three things. Number one is stop traffic. Number two, build trust. And three, convert that trust into cash. And if you're missing even one of those, your ROI is going to suffer. That's why I teach all of my clients the CCT Framework. This is how we go from pop-up shop cute to corporate ready vendor booth boss. So if you're ready, let's dive in. The first C is for clarity. Most booths look busy, but say nothing. No clear message, there's no clear offer, no clear reason why someone should stop. If your booth doesn't communicate your value in 3 seconds or less, you are invisible, period. The second T is for community. People don't buy products, they buy people. You have to build connection at your table. That means warm conversation starters, branded materials they can take with them, and ways to stay in touch with you after the event. If you're not collecting leads, you are leaving money on the table. Lastly, the T is for transformation. This is what seals the deal. What changes when someone buys from you? If all you're selling is a product, you're competing on price. But when you sell a transformation, something that improves their life, their business's identity, they'll pay more and they'll remember you. Let me say this plainly. You can have the cutest booth on the road and still walk away broke.
Oh, wow.
If you don't have a clear plan for how to turn attention into conversion, you will stay stuck. And I don't want that for you, because I know you are not new to this. You've already been vending. You're already investing your time and energy and money to be in these rooms. Now let's make it worth it. So here's what I want you to do. Take what I just gave you and look at your next event setup. Ask yourself, is my booth message clear and visible from 5 feet away? Do I have an easy way to start conversations and collect leads? Is my product or service tied to a transformation that people care about? If you're unsure on any of these, that's exactly where I come in. I help vendors who are already in the game turn their booth into a branded experience that drives traffic and closes sales on site and after the event. If you just downloaded my vendor self-audit checklist, this video was your next step. And if you're ready to go deeper, book your free 20-minute vendor visibility audit with me. And that's where we'll sit down, look at your booth, your brand, and your setup, and map out exactly what's keeping you from hitting your vending goals. You're not guessing anymore. You're not winging it. You're getting a strategy that makes vending feel worth it again. So click the link below to book your audit. And if you're still unsure, watch this video again, because the tea is hot, but the transformation was even better. See you on the call.